Hello, welcome to Excel. In this video, we are going to learn how to make mark sheet for students. So let's get started. Here we have 5 subjects, and if we consider 100 marks for each subject, then it comes to 500. So total marks are, for example, 500. So we will write it manually and drag it to the last record like this. Okay, then it comes to obtain marks. Here we will use some formula to calculate the marks of 5 subjects. So here equals sum, bracket starts here, and then we will select range. It comes to English, and here we will select computer at the end. So we'll close bracket and hit enter, and now the sum of these 5 subjects is calculated here. We will drag it to the last record like this. Here we see an error message, a notification message. If we want to remove it, we will select this column and click this notification, then ignore error. Okay, then it comes to percentage. To find percentage is very easy. We will divide obtained marks by total marks and multiply it by 100. So let's start the formula with equal sign. Equals obtained marks divided by total marks multiplied by 100. Okay, so 46.3 is our percentage for this student named Ahmed Naeem. So let's drag it to the last student like this. Now it comes to grade. There may be different grading formulas. For the moment we are following this grading scheme. Okay, it means if the student gets the marks greater than or equal to 80%, he will be assigned A plus grade, and then for 70 or greater than 70, A grade will be assigned, and so on. So let's write the formula for this grading scheme. We will write if condition here. Okay, so let's start with equal sign. Equal if we will select this cell, its name is K3. K is the column heading and 3 is row heading. We will manually write like this, K3, or just we can select this. We will click on this cell like this, and it will automatically be selected, and its name is appeared here. So if K3 greater than or equals to 80, then our condition ends here. We will put here a comma. Then what to do? Then assign it A plus grade. Okay, our condition ends here. So again we will write a comma. Then again we will write if condition for the next assignment. If K3 greater than or equals to 70 is the percentage. We don't need to write percentage sign. It is not necessary in this condition, in this case, in this situation. Okay, so if percentage greater than or equals to 70, assign A grade, and the grade should be written in string. Okay, like this. So third condition starts here. If K3 greater than or equals to 60, should be assigned B grade. If K3 greater than or equals to 50, then it should be assigned C grade. if K3 greater than or equals to 40, then D grade should be assigned. If K3 greater than or equals to 33, and this is the passing condition, minimum percentage, it should be assigned E grade. Then if this is the false condition, if the student gets student percentage less than 33, then it should be assigned F grade, and the student will be considered as fail. So we will just write for false condition. We don't need to write if condition again. We can just use a string and write the condition in it, then we will assign it F grade. Okay, then how many condition it comes to? A plus A, B, C, D, E, F. We have used 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 conditions here, so we will put 7 closing brackets here to end this formula. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then hit enter. Do you accept this formula? I think I have made a mistake, and I have if K3 80 70 1 2 63 54 45 33 6 7. Okay, there might be a mistake with closing brackets. If I select yes, it will automatically be corrected. Okay, there should be 6 brackets, but I wrote 7, that's why it is creating problem. It was creating problem. Okay, now let's drag it to the last record like this. Now it comes to result. So if a student gets F grade, okay, F grade, it means he is fail. So if we can write the result, well, we can write a formula here like this, equals if grade equals F, then fail, otherwise pass. We can put a formula on percentage using 33 less than 33, and we can calculate pass or fail using percentage, and we can also calculate it using grade like this. So if I enter, it is pass because the student gets a grade D. Okay, let's write a formula using percentage, equals if percentage K3 less than 33, it means the student is fail, otherwise it is pass. The student is pass, he is passed. So I close the formula, hit enter. Now drag it to the last student record, and here we go. If I decrease the marks of the subject Urdu to 12 and 12 again, 0 12. Okay, it now you can see the student gets 22% marks, and the result of the student is fail. Okay, because the student didn't get 33% marks, so it should be shown as fail. Okay, if we want to highlight the students who are fail, to a color, it is very easy. So we select all this range and then we will go to conditional formatting here and then highlight cell rules, text that contains, okay, if any column in this range contains fail, what should be the color then? The color should be red. We can select any color from here, custom font, then fill. We can select any color. For example, if I select this color, red, okay, and I'll click the OK button like this. Okay, if I decrease marks of another student, then it comes to 30% marks, and then it will automatically respond to this percentage. This formula responds to this percentage and gets red. Okay, so in this way we can create mark sheet of students. So I hope you enjoy this video, and thanks for watching.